Our journey begins at a specialized donkey dairy farm, where carefully raised dairy donkeys produce the milk used in premium skincare soap manufacturing.
Keep moving, straight ahead now. Watch the left side. Almost there, everyone.
The next stage takes the herd into the preparation facility, where every animal will undergo inspection before milk collection begins.
Check the coat condition here.
Looks healthy, very consistent with the last report. Before milk collection can begin, every donkey undergoes a detailed veterinary inspection to ensure health, safety, and production quality.
Eyes are clear, coat is healthy, good muscle tone here.
Noted. Weight looks steady at 250 kilograms.
Okay, 350 kilograms. Got that recorded. All right, bring the next one forward now.
Replete. Each animal is tracked individually, allowing technicians to monitor health records, production history, and overall herd management.
Keep an eye on the forelegs as they turn the corner.
Noted. They all appear structurally sound.
After inspection, the animals move to the sanitary, where thorough cleaning helps maintain hygiene throughout the milk production process. Depths. With inspection and sanitation complete, the herd is now ready for the next stage, where fresh donkey milk will be collected. After passing inspection and sanitation procedures, the donkeys enter the milking facility, where milk collection begins under carefully monitored conditions.
Okay, making sure we get everything rinsed off. Looks completely clear. Go ahead and dry.
Sanitation complete on the udder area. Confirmed. Checklist is clear. We can begin extraction.
Make sure this area is completely dry before we start.
Yes, just finishing up now.
Unlike traditional small farms, this facility uses specialized collection systems designed to maintain hygiene, consistency. Fresh donkey milk immediately enters a sealed collection network, helping preserve quality while reducing exposure to the outside environment.
Keep an eye on the pressure gauge over there.
Yes, making sure the levels are consistent.
Once collected, the milk begins its journey through a network of food-grade pipelines that transport it towards storage and quality control facilities. Every stage of milk transportation is carefully monitored to ensure quality is maintained, from collection through processing. Before the milk can be used in skincare production, it must undergo storage, sampling, and a series of quality control procedures. Laboratory testing helps verify purity, composition, and safety before the milk is approved for cosmetic manufacturing. After passing every quality check, the milk is approved and transferred to the skincare production facility, where soap formulation will begin. Once approved, the donkey milk enters the formulation department, where it becomes one of the key ingredients used in premium skincare soap production. In addition to donkey milk, carefully measured plant oils are prepared to help create the final skincare soap formula.
Throughout production, technicians continuously monitor temperature, mixing speed, and processing time to ensure consistent results.
Additional skincare ingredients are added in precise quantities to achieve the desired properties of the finished soap. With all ingredients successfully blended, the formulation is now ready for thermal processing and soap-based development. The next stage focuses on transforming the blended formulation into a stable soap base through carefully controlled industrial processing.
Parameters are within the threshold. We're clear for the next phase.
Roger that. Initiating preheat sequence now. Inside the processing hall, controlled heating helps prepare the formulation for the chemical and physical changes required to create soap. The temperature is stable at 92 degrees. We are maintaining precise conditions. Within these large reactors, the formulation gradually develops into a rich soap base that will later be refined and shaped into finished bars. Samples are collected throughout production so technicians can verify consistency and maintain strict quality standards. After initial processing is complete, the soap base moves forward for refinement and maturation, where texture and stability will be further improved. Refinement is an important stage because it helps create the smooth texture and consistent quality expected from premium skincare soap products. High-pressure refinement breaks down inconsistencies within the soap base, helping create a more uniform texture throughout the batch. With refinement complete, the soap base now enters a maturation stage, where stability and consistency continue to improve before shaping can begin.
Temperature holding steady at 25.
Noted. Mixing schedule is on track for batch 4. Consistent texture is essential because it helps ensure every finished soap bar meets the same quality expectations.
The viscosity is perfect now.
Yes, very smooth and glossy.
We can begin the cooling phase.
The soap base has now completed several refinement stages and is almost ready to be transformed into solid soap products.
We're ahead of schedule on this batch.
Let's verify the pressure readings before finalizing.
Looks good from here.
Laboratory testing confirms that the cooling stage has produced the consistency required for the next phase of manufacturing.
The donkey milk base has reached the final consistency. We can approve the batch.
Agreed.
After curing and stabilization are complete, the soap base is finally ready to begin its transformation into physical soap blocks. With all quality checks complete, the soap base is officially approved and released for molding, bringing us one step closer to the finished product. Before filling begins, every mold is inspected and positioned to ensure accurate shaping and consistent product dimensions. After months of preparation and processing, the soap base is now ready to be poured into molds for the very first time.
The molded product must now pass through controlled solidification and curing stages before individual soap bars can be created.
Although the soap has now been molded, it still requires time to stabilize and solidify before it can become individual soap bars.
This batch seems slightly wetter on the surface.
Yes, noted. I'll adjust the drying time estimate on the manifest.
Controlled curing helps the soap develop the strength, texture, and stability needed for the next manufacturing stage. At this stage, the product exists as large soap blocks that must be cut into individual consumer-sized bars. Settings are optimal at 500 RPM. Check blade alignment.
Alignment confirmed. Ready for operation.
Initiating sequence. The next stage will transform these large soap blocks into thousands of individual bars ready for finishing and packaging. Precision cutting equipment divides each soap block into uniform sections, ensuring consistent size and appearance throughout the production run. For the first time, the finished soap bars become clearly visible as individual products moving through the production line. Every soap bar must pass inspection before it can proceed to branding, packaging, and final distribution. With cutting, inspection, and branding complete, the soap bars are now ready for packaging and shipment around the world. The packaging department protects the finished product and prepares it for transportation, storage, and retail display. Automated packaging equipment wraps each soap bar with speed and precision while maintaining a professional appearance.
Quality control inspections continue even after packaging to ensure every product meets factory standards.
To be organized efficiently for storage and transportation.
Watch your left. Another lift coming through.
Got it. This pallet is ready for pickup. Logistics teams coordinate shipments to ensure products reach distribution centers efficiently and on schedule. Connection finalizes transportation planning. Finished products travel through extensive transportation networks before reaching regional distribution facilities. What began as fresh donkey milk on a carefully managed farm has now become a finished skincare product available to consumers. Every finished soap bar represents a carefully managed process that combines farming, quality control, manufacturing, and distribution.